Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download video from TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the share icon, and here you need to click on the copy link. In the second line, you can see that copy link with the messenger. Click on that. Once your link is copied, then you need to go back and open any browser. So for this case, I'm going to open Google, and here you need to search TikTok video download. Search that I'm searching. Okay, open the first website, and once the first website is open, you simply need to paste that link here and click on download. Once you click on download, that video will start processing, and you can find the option to download that video from here on this website. You can see that without watermark you can find, and if you want, you can download mp3. Once you click on without watermark, this video will start downloading in your smartphone. So this is the process by which you can download video from TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.